Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create mind maps or concept map, which is very easy to explain a certain concept diagrammatically, so you can be able to see the process from one step to another or from different branches of a particular concept. You'll be able to understand easily. So we're going to do that using a very simple AI tool called our ChatGPT. This is our old friend, ChatGPT. It can help us to do it. We're going to do that in a number of steps, about 3 to 4 steps. Okay, so the first step is we're going to have to generate the text, which you can generate with ChatGPT, or if you have it somewhere, maybe a particular concept that you've written and you want to create the mind map out of it, you can use it directly. For example, in my own case, I have the future of employment with the advent of AI. So with the AI now, what is going to happen with employment in the future? So if we looked at different areas, different concepts, areas to be affected, consequences and challenges of AI on employment, strategies to adapt to the AI-driven employment landscape, and different concepts, different points after each and every idea or concept out of the write-up. So let me copy this write-up, but before then, let's go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it these simple questions. Create a mind map for the below text, okay, on the future of employment with the advent of AI. Include relevant subtopics, tools, advantages, disadvantages to clearly show the key points. Okay, let's provide a code box with markdown language. Okay, so now down here, I'm going to hold the shift and enter key, and then I'm going to put in the text that I have here. So I'm going to come back here and then I'm going to copy everything. All right, so I'm going to copy it and then go back to ChatGPT and then paste everything. All right, so from here now, I'm just going to hit on enter because everything is there. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT is going to come up. You can see it is writing the code that we've just asked it. Here's a markdown mind map code for the topic, the future of employment with the advent of AI. So it's writing the complete code for us. And you can see right now the code is ready. So all you need is to come back to the top here and you can just go ahead and copy the code directly. So this is the first step, generating the code from the idea or from the concept nodes that you have generated. Now the next step is going to be using another tool, which is called the Dillinger AI.io. Okay, so once you copy that code from ChatGPT, all you need is to come over to Dillinger. You can select everything, do Ctrl A, and then you can paste that particular code that you have copied from ChatGPT. Now the next thing that you're going to do is to come over to export. You can click on export as, and then mind you, there are different formats in which you can export, from HTML to style HTML to Markdown to PDF. For this case, we're going to go with Markdown. Okay, so you click on Markdown, and this is going to export this as a markdown file. All right, so you can see it exported. So we'll go to the next step. All right, so the next step is going to be, we're going to have a markdown code editor. It's called the Xmind. So you can come to xmind.com. I'll put all these links in the description of this video. So you can come to xmind.com and you come to download over here, and it is going to bring you over here. So basically the software you have to download is available for Mac, Linux, iOS, Windows, and so on, and even Android and Vision OS. You can download according to your drive or whatever operating system you're working on. And my own, it automatically detects that this is a Mac operating system, and it has given me the Mac version of it. It's free and can take your productivity to the next level. It can help you to draw the diagram, the mind map that we're after. So once you download and install, you can just open and log in. Okay, so once you log in, you are going to have something like this. Alright, so this is the Xmind. I've just logged in with my account. Up here, you can see Xmind with all of its features, the file, edit, insert, tools, and so on. What we're targeting is we come to file, we can import, and then we're going to import the markdown file that we've had initially, the one that we've just downloaded. So you come over here and then we can select it. This is the future of employment with the advent of AI. So you can come, select, and then import it. So you give it some seconds and this is going to help you to generate. You can see it has given us a fantastic mind map that you can actually use for your content. You can see the future of employment with the advent of AI. You can see the introduction and this concept, the basic concept on the introduction. You can see the key areas affected, These are the key areas affected. You can even move around and you can be able to see the complete mind map that we've just created. And this is benefits of AI in employment. These are the benefits that it has highlighted. You can easily zoom in and you can explain the concept as you zoom in and even zoom out to your audience. And then down here, you can have the challenges and consequences. You can see them, different types of challenges, different types of consequences that you can have. And then you can have strategies for adaptation. It has listed all the strategies, and then emerging trends in the AI as regards employment, AI in recruitment, gig economy and AI, human AI collaboration, and so on. You can be able to even zoom out and explain each and every concept as it relates to the idea we're talking about. And then conclusively, it has these 3 points under the conclusion, and then you can use that as well to explain whatever you want to explain. So this is very, very direct, and this is very interesting, and it could become very helpful whenever you are to design a presentation or to explain any concept or ideas using mind map. This can come in handy, very much needed. So you can go ahead and explore and share it. So to download this on your PC, you can come to File, and then you can come to Export. Okay, you can export as PNG, SVG, JPEG, and so on, and even all these PDF, Markdown, Word, Excel format you can export. So let's say we go with PNG, and with just one click, this is going to export for you. So you can see it has just been exported. You define the location where you want to save it, and then this is going to be saved over there. Fantastically, you can see it has just been saved. So easily you can create this mind map very easy with the help of ChatGPT and with these 3 basic steps. So if you find this helpful, please hit the like of this video. Well, thank you so much, and this concludes this basic tutorial about the use of ChatGPT and other small tools to create mind maps or concept maps. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.